going on YouTube? It's Kendall here with Feels Like Home Construction, and we just got a new full remodel for this house, and we're going to kind of walk you through it. Sometimes a full remodel can be overwhelming and you don't know where to start, so I'll start on the exterior. The client wants us to just kind of bring the outside of the house back to life. So what we're going to do on the outside is we're going to go ahead and repair some of the fascia and soffit that need to be repaired. You can see some of the wood kind of coming apart. Then we're going to go around, scrape the exterior. We'll caulk where it needs to be caulked, repaint. We're not going to paint the brick because he likes the way the brick looks and it looks good. And then we'll do a new front door, stuff like that. And the inside is really our main focus because the inside is what's really bad. So that's where we'll be headed. And I'll show y'all where we start on the inside and kind of break it down to make it a lot easier. Start with clean out, demo, get your house prepped, ready for all the construction work that you're going to do. So in this room, we'll just kind of go through, we'll clean it up, we'll demo some of the stuff out of the fireplace to see what we're working with underneath there. And then that's really it, just kind of prep everything like walls for texture, take out all these nails. We're going to refinish the hardwood floors eventually in these rooms. And then the kitchen, just really cleaning them out in here, repair some of the cabinet doors. He wants to leave the cabinets because you know that can be pricey to replace kitchen cabinets. So we'll go through and we'll paint those when it gets to that step. But really our main focus right now for the next couple of days is getting our dump trailer here and cleaning it out, demoing everything we need. We're going to keep the existing windows so we don't have to take those out. And then another thing that we'll do after demo is, you see all the air units, the client wants new central heat and air, so we'll go ahead and run that so the company can do their duct work, all that kind of stuff, get that ready. And then, you know, so we can move on to sheetrock texture touch-ups. We're going to take out, you can see this carpet, it's kind of gross. We're going to take out all the carpet in all the rooms, get it ready, because the hardwood floors just run underneath. So you really just pull up the carpet, pull up the pad, and then you're good to go because all the hardwood floors are in such good shape. And then in this bathroom in here, it's really kind of already repainted. The showers have good tile, and that's really it. And then we have to do plumbing work. We'll paint, refinish the floors, and yeah, that's kind of it on this project.
What's going on? We're back. So we just finished this house. We're going to walk you through, just like the last video we're about to show you, or the before video. Take a look at the fascia and soffit on there. You know, we didn't put anything new. We just repainted, sanded down, made it look fresh and new. Put a new screen door on here. Now, here's the real deal. Let me take you inside and show you all we did. We just refinished his hardwood floors. As you can see, whenever you watch the before video, it looks completely different. Repainted the entire house, sprayed all the trim, sprayed all the cabinets. The floors are what made this house come together. All the electrical, oh not electrical, just ceiling fans and plates, following into the kitchen. As you can see, we left the paneling painted white, did accessible beige paint all the way through. Check out those cabinets. A good, like, I think it's 3 or 4 by 16 subway tile. Kind of change it up, give it a better look. All new knobs, hinges. I mean, we really brought these cabinets back to life because they were literally falling apart and breaking everywhere. Granite on top there, can't forget that. Pretty all fancy. Let me take you back this way. I don't know if you remember the last video, these cabinets were all hanging and falling, so we redid them, made them look all fancy again, sprayed the insides. When you paint your cabinets white, it really changes up the house a lot. Come take a look. Here's the word bathroom. It's painted now. So it looks totally different. Paint can do wonders. Another bedroom. Got it all cleaned out. Same thing. And the last bedroom. you were like cord hanging, we were redoing the floors, but here it is. That's the house. Got it all finished.
Looks good.
Check out that living room.